So the biggest delight of this therapy program was that I lost 10 kgs of weight. And it was not something I was looking to do. It was not something I joined the therapy for, but it just happened on its own. To this day, I have no idea how it happened. And there was a time during the therapy session where every day I would go and measure my weight and I would see it dropping by 500 grams every single day. And it would be like, I would go and tell him, and he would be like, tomorrow you're gonna lose this much weight. And it used to happen. So that was so much fun. And I think the best part was that it was so effortless. Like, I've seen so many of my friends struggle for weight loss, and they have been doing so many different things. They don't eat the things they like. They go and grind themselves in the gym. But I didn't have to do anything. So it just happened on its own. And when the weight loss was happening, I kept thinking, okay, at what point will it stop? Like, if it keeps happening, am I going to become like thin? But it was so insane. Like, it just came and stopped at 50 kgs. And it's not like I started doing anything different. I was doing the exact same things, but it just stopped. And I've not been able to reduce from 50 kgs. And essentially, my body let go of all the excess fat that there was. So I think it was the most delightful experience, and that made me really happy because I didn't really expect it, right? So these are like additional expected returns that you get from the program that you would not even know.